Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by grabbing your API key and project ID, then placing them in an environment variable so they aren't hard-coded. Next, install a client, curl, or the SDK, and run a simple get-to/status to verify connectivity and credentials. Once done, confirm TLS and firewall rules allow outbound calls. Make sure to use the correct region and point. This quick verification prevents wasted time. You'll immediately know if auth or networking needs fixing before moving to payload construction. You now implement authentication and the main API calls. Include the bearer token in the authorization header and prefer SDK helpers when available because they manage retries. Then design request batching or pagination for large datasets, checking for next cursor or page tokens. When you parse JSON responses, validate fields and types, log unexpected shapes. If you hit 429 or transient 5xx errors, back off exponentially and retry. These steps ensure robust, efficient integration rather than fragile one-off calls. You finish by deploying with monitoring and secrets management in place. Instrument latency and error metrics so you can detect regressions. Automate key rotation and reduce key scopes to least privilege, and then roll out gradually using feature flags or canaries. If something goes wrong, reproduce the failing request, capture full request and response bodies, timestamps, and the exact error code. That evidence speeds debugging. One key troubleshooting tip. When responses differ between envs, compare headers, region endpoints, and time skew first.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.